This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your Instagram is business or creator, linked to a Facebook page. This unlocks insights that you can forward. Next, create or open a Google Analytics 4 property and copy the measurement ID. You'll need it in a moment. Then open Facebook Business Manager and grant permissions to integrate data sources. Without permissions, data won't flow. Once done, you're ready to move into the connector steps that actually send Instagram behavior into Google Analytics. Now you configure the data flow from Instagram to Google Analytics. Choose Facebook Conversions API or a trusted third-party connector to forward events. This avoids relying on client-side pixels alone. Map the core Instagram interactions, profile visits, link clicks, story taps, and purchases to GA4 event names and parameters so they arrive structured. Make sure to use GA4 debug view to test events in real time. If names mismatch, change mappings and retest to preserve accurate reporting. Finish by validating and analyzing your incoming Instagram data in GA4. Review standard reports and build explorations or custom funnels to see how Instagram drives actions. Create audience segments and set attribution windows that reflect your campaign goals. Use comparison metrics to optimize content. If data is missing or delayed, check permissions, API tokens, and connector logs first. Those are the usual culprits. If problems persist, rerun tests in debug view and confirm event parameter mappings exactly match GA4 expectations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.